Hi, so this is a cup song from Pitch Perfect. Okay. I got my ticket for the long way round, 2 bottles of whiskey for the way, and I sure would like some sweet cotton, and I'm leaving tomorrow. What to say when I'm gone, when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my hair. You're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. I got my ticket for the long way round, one with prettiest of views. It's got mountains, it's got rivers, it's got sights to give you shivers. Oh, it sure be prettier with you when I'm gone, when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my walk. You're gonna miss me by my taco. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone, when I'm gone, when I'm gone. Okay, I hope you liked my video.